Welcome to another exciting episode of New Auto Drive Review, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of automotive innovation and timeless design. Today we're diving into a special feature that blends raw power with vintage appeal: the 2026 Ford Pickup by Factory 5, a modern reimagination of a classic hot rod truck that is turning heads and setting new standards for enthusiasts of old-school styling mixed with contemporary engineering. This isn't just a throwback, it's a revolution in the hot rod scene, with Factory 5 collaborating with Ford to offer a unique pickup that brings the soul of classic American trucks into the present day. The exterior of this stunning machine is sculpted with deep respect to the iconic post-war pickups but seamlessly integrates modern lines and premium detailing. Bold fenders flare confidently over large alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires, while the chopped roofline gives it that aggressive hot rod stance. Every inch of the body reflects precision craftsmanship, from the exposed rivet-style accents to the satin chrome grille and custom LED headlights that manage to look both vintage and high-tech. The 2026 Ford Pickup Factory 5 hot rod is offered in multiple colors, including flat matte finishes and candy gloss paints, each curated to evoke either a retro garage look or a street-tuned modern hot rod vibe. The rear bed is fully functional yet stylized with polished wood slats and brushed aluminum rails, while the tailgate bears a stamped Ford logo reminiscent of the 1940s originals. Underneath the surface, however, this is no museum piece. Modern aerodynamics are subtly built in with underbody panels, vented wheel wells, and contoured side skirts. The factory offers customizable packages including chrome delete, blackout trim, and body color bumpers. Customers can choose between vintage-styled steel wheels or performance alloys that hint at what lies beneath. It is a work of art you can drive daily or showcase at a car meet without opening the hood and still turn every head on the lot. The design speaks directly to the enthusiast community. It's a tribute, a performance machine, and a lifestyle statement all in one package. Step inside and you're greeted by a surprisingly refined cabin that balances minimalist hot rod tradition with modern comfort. The dashboard is a mix of brushed aluminum and retro-style gauges with digital inserts, offering a blend of analog charm and smart tech. The three-spoke steering wheel is small and racing-inspired, while the shift knob and pedals are machined aluminum, giving you the tactile sense of being in a true driver's car. Bucket seats are wrapped in stitched leather or alcantara depending on the trim, with contrast piping that matches the body color. There's minimal clutter intentionally to preserve the hot rod vibe, but key conveniences are subtly tucked in, such as a hidden wireless charger integrated into the center console and a compact digital interface for infotainment. The air vents are styled like old-school chrome knobs but control dual-zone climate, and a premium audio system from Bang & Olufsen is optional for those who want cruising tunes with clarity. The roof is low but headroom is cleverly maximized through seat positioning and sculpted ceiling inserts, so even taller drivers feel comfortably engaged rather than cramped. Now let's talk performance and specs, because that's where this truck truly becomes something special. The Factory 5 hot rod Ford pickup is built on a lightweight tube chassis platform that's engineered for strength and rigidity while maintaining a low curb weight under 3,000 pounds. Buyers can opt for a 5.0-liter Coyote V8 producing 460 horsepower, or go even wilder with the supercharged version that pumps out 700 horsepower, mated to a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Rear-wheel drive is standard with a limited slip differential, ensuring that all that power translates to grip and acceleration rather than tire smoke alone, though burnout potential is definitely part of the appeal. Brakes are high-performance Wilwood disc setups at all four corners with optional carbon ceramic packages for serious track goers. Suspension is fully adjustable coil-over independent front and rear, giving this truck sports car dynamics whether you're carving through backroads or just enjoying a smooth city ride. The exhaust system is fully stainless steel with selectable sound modes, allowing you to choose between street-legal rumble and full-on race growl at the push of a button. On the tech side, the 2026 model also brings optional driver assist features including backup cameras, lane alerts, and adaptive cruise without compromising the classic cockpit look. All electronic systems are housed in a modular brain box under the dash that's easily upgradable, so owners can install new tech or tune performance settings without diving into complicated wiring. This isn't just a turnkey toy, it's a customizable platform built for real driving enjoyment and personal expression. Factory 5 is known for their kit car legacy, but this model comes pre-assembled from certified build centers across the US or as a roller kit for hardcore builders who want to install their own drivetrain. Whether you're looking for a ready-to-drive masterpiece or a blank canvas to build your dream hot rod, the 2026 Ford pickup checks every box and then adds some. As for pricing, the base turnkey Factory 5 Ford pickup starts around $65,000 with the naturally aspirated V8 and standard interior. Upgrade to the supercharged engine, premium paint, and full leather interior with track suspension and you're looking at closer to $100,000 fully loaded. That might sound steep, but compared to other boutique performance vehicles or classic hot rods, this is actually tremendous value, especially when you factor in the drivability, safety, and modern build quality. Financing options and limited production runs will be available through Factory 5's authorized dealers and online configurator, launching later this year. Every unit will come with a unique VIN, certification plaque, and optional owner build journal, which adds a nice touch for collectors and enthusiasts alike. This 2026 model isn't trying to compete with mass-market pickups, it's carving its own lane in the world of performance trucks, custom builds, and classic inspiration. It's a machine built with passion, designed for the road but meant to live in your garage as both a driver's dream and a design icon. Whether you're new to the hot rod world or a seasoned custom builder, the new Ford pickup by Factory 5 delivers a unique experience that merges past and future in a way that no other truck on the market does. Thanks for watching New Auto Drive Review. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting machines on the road, and let us know in the comments if this is the kind of truck you'd take to your next car show or your next adrenaline-filled weekend.